Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to YouTube channel Cloudy Malakan. Today is 1st of August 2019, Thursday. In this video, we will discuss about Saudi Riyal price rates. So let's get started. First of all, we will say about Injaz Bank rates that Injaz Bank give 1 Saudi Riyal rate per Indonesia is 3063.0 rupiah and per Sri Lanka 46.20 rupee and per Philippines 13.47 peso. Pauri Bank gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate per Indonesia 3648.04 rupee and for Sri Lanka 46.35 rupees and for Philippines 13.52 peso. ANB Arab National Bank gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia 3948.27 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.49 rupee and for Philippines 13.49 peso. Al Raji Bank give 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia is 3649.63 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.28 rupee and for Philippines 13.78 peso. So far as Express Money is concerned, Express Money gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia is 3610.11 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.28 rupee and for Philippines 13.26 peso. And Western Union gives 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia is 3694.79 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.75 rupee and for Philippines 13.36 peso. In the last, we will say about Riyadh Bank rates that Riyadh Bank give 1 Saudi Riyal rate for Indonesia is 3003.0 rupiah and for Sri Lanka 46.25 rupee and for Philippines 13.44 peso. Dear friend, these are the latest rates of Saudi Riyal for different countries. For more informative videos, subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.